What you see here are the 36-volt lithium-ion cordless rotary hammers, the GBH36VLI Professional and the GBH36VF-LI Professional. These multi-hammers are versatile, which makes them ideal for outdoor use. The GBH36VF-LI Professional is faster than a 2 kg corded hammer due to its high impact energy. The pneumatic hammer mechanism enables you to drill holes of up to 26 mm in concrete. And thanks to the efficient Bosch motor, you can drill up to 195 holes in concrete with only one battery charge. The GBH36VF-LI Professional comes complete with a keyless chuck, enabling you to drill holes in wood and metal. This combi hammer is also ideal for chiselling due to its impact force of 2.8 joules. Versatile and as powerful as corded, the GBH36VLI Professional and the GBH36VF-LI Professional.